Pulega con Saute. Ma facciamo tanto fa bene faccio tale di teatro non mai dice ora fanno togliere maftana. I thought, we don't want to take too much time, so we're going to try this very simple exercise. One representative from every youth. Send a boy or a girl. We're going to do a little storytelling. One from every youth. Please come forward very quickly. Very quickly. Very quickly. Leo Sauria. Oh, come. Yeah, late. Oh, okay. Oh, late. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, let's introduce our friends here. What is so far?
Oh, no, tena mai state leo. Longhorn, Texas.
A round of applause for Toto. Where do you want it to leave? Look to Teddy. It's nice. Beautiful. I'll take it here.
Also tell you about me.
From? How about a good hand for Rafa?
Christian from KFC.
Christian from KFC. Okay. Let's put for Chris. Yeah.
We're all leaving from USC-Church of Carson.
Yes. From USC.
Ladies and gentlemen, Iso Lomoneo, OC, something better.
Iso from Pulega. Yeah.
John from Saute.
So Pulega, my SLA. Mas tak pati tell about that also, yeah? Okay. If I cannot start to, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to start off with my dear one, Chris. The rest of you five, go outside to the parking lot. I like to walk. Go real far. Bye. Make sure these guys are very far. Only if I don't wait until the middle of the year, Chris. Yeah, oil. Okay. And this is what we're going to do, Chris. I'm going to tell you a little short story. Very short. But I want you to tell it to the next guy. Ben from the morning. Oh, why might not do, huh? Not doing the morning? Yeah. Oh, what I tell my kid? Oh, I fought for my not to live. In a minute fight. Oh, Mama. Right. How old is Chris?
16 or 17.
16, 17? 16, 17. Are we sure, Chris? Okay, all right. Chris is 17. What grade is Chris in? 10th grade. Oh, okay, great. Yeah. Chris, follow more today. Huh? Follow more today. Who see the day of follow? Follow today. Clear the follow. Okay? I'm going to tell you the story, and you're going to retell this story to the next guy who comes in. Sa Saute Malo. Okay? You can tell however you want. Sa Saute Malo. Mai Samoa. Nalu le fado loa. E fa tau le moa. E moa e fua moa. O na whaia i le me ai atoa. Oh. Te whanau. Sa Saute Manoa. Mai Samoa. Nalu le fado loa. E fa tau le moa. E moa e fua moa. E whaia i me ai atoa. Amen. Send one of the guys in. Send one of the boys in. please share with your brother here on the story? Outside? Yeah. Okay. Send the next guy, please.
Ya falou lei, wa selo falou, ya é povo fechado, ya falou lei, Saute Samoa, e facau moa, e cubre coa, abre o roa, ya facau lei Samoa, ya ari o co, ya ari a coa. Listen. Sabe que malou a de coalho.
The man came from
Saute tomorrow. Real slow, very easy.
Tomorrow, Alun Farolo, Fatau Lequa, Fatau Mo, Tuai Tonuto, Nawai Famo, Alulaima, Tafama Umatata.
So I can get my ine. Kiso? So I do that. Falonga le usi le fafonga. Alera famtanatu le tani ine by Vegas. Le tala moe e te famtalena il to suyo do torta tu Pulega. Usi le fafonga.
Tell him the story.
Saute to Samuelu.
Vai me cosa vai a capo Samuelu.
And for those of us that were here yesterday, since Poe's coming up, Tasineo, Totino, Tanamana, Paola, Tokika, yeah. Po, a fonga lei, o la famatala atu, e kiso, le tala morneas.
Kulilo ko lua. E whakau moa, e ai umai au ako.
Morta. Yes, e whakatalala, e vanga la tala le whakapuai.
My wife go down. E ko kulilo ko lua. E whaingu le lua. E kule la koa.
You know, liking is communication. Liking is communication. Sometimes we think we heard it, but we did not hear it all. Sometimes we try to listen, but we really don't grasp the full story. One wise person said many moons ago, be careful of half-truth, because you may get hold of the wrong half. Le tau o le ala whatinonga, o le mea o le whalonga. Whalonga. Mo tātou tupulanga talabo, e se tau o le whalonga. Whalonga I matua. Whalonga I o tō taitai. Whalonga I o tō tanga tina ai whiau. Whalonga I e mātua. Ai sili on tātou whalo uma I le atua. Ia manuia mawhai.